women stand on this line, please?
At Homer Davis Elementary School in the Flowing Wells District, 5 teachers worked as an integral team to help students create this outdoor classroom in wildlife habitat. Seeing the potential of a formerly unused section of their school grounds, these educators led a school and community-wide effort to restore the area to a more native habitat. Students used the outdoor setting as a laboratory for a variety of classroom disciplines, from language arts and social studies to science.
Let's see what kind of clouds we have in our sky today.
Every morning, volunteer students watch the skies.
Can you go in there and tell me what the high temperature was yesterday?
And check the weather station in the habitat.
Excellent, that's right, 35 degrees.
What is the percentage of our sky that is covered today with clouds?
The kind of clouds were alto cumulus. They were all right there. And then we also got cirrus.
Oh, Miranda, can you come over here and show me where you would change 35 degrees Celsius and put that into Fahrenheit?
This information is passed on to the whole school during morning announcements.
The current temperature in the habitat is 71 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 22 degrees Celsius. Have a good day, dragons. And now here's Cloud Watchers. It's really nice because you get to know how hot it is. Good morning, dragons. I'm Kayleen. And this is Marissa, and we are members of the Cloud Watchers. If you need to dress warm or cooler, and the habitat is nice because you get to see a lot of wildlife. It's really pretty, and yeah, I like coming out here and watching.
The district's maintenance staff went above and beyond the call of duty, volunteering to build the amphitheater over a summer while students were on vacation. As a testament to their dedication, the Homer Davis faculty also dedicated this site to those maintenance personnel who had so unselfishly helped make this dream come true. The Heritage Fund grant has enabled Homer Davis School to fully utilize this area of their school ground. In the shadows of the Phoenix metropolitan area, Sonoran Sky School in the Paradise Valley School District also has a new habitat and some new residents in that habitat. During the fall of 2001, students assisted Arizona Game and Fish staff with the translocation of desert pupfish and Gila top minnow, both Arizona native species that are on the threatened and endangered listing, from a pond at Deer Valley High School into their own recently completed pond refugium at Sonoran Sky.
What's special about the fish? They're endangered!
The kids absolutely love it. They love to see the little fish swimming around in there, and we had a surprise in October when we saw something else swimming around in there, but we didn't have fish yet.
Catch something else. I don't really like that.
And we dug it out and did some research and learned about dragonfly larvae.
Where's the fish?
These fish will provide ample opportunities for students to study biology,
Plants are living things.
pond ecology,
Light green. Yeah, the green stuff all over the rocks.
and the dynamic balance of nature.
The kids come out here for reading, for writing projects. The third graders have been taking other classes out here and telling them about the pond.
Why don't you draw a plant? My favorite part about the pond is when we took the kindergartners out, because I always wanted to do it when I watched my brother when I was younger. I had to show him what living and non-living was. He drew like butterflies, cactuses. I draw fishes and rocks and like bricks and lily pads. You think this whole thing right here is alive? Yeah.
Additional studies may include migratory birds, insects, and other components of food chains and food webs.
There's a lot of animals and there's a lot of things that you can see. How many legs do ants have? Just a few days ago, we found a centipede. Look at the fish! You get to learn about all the wildlife and what their life cycles are. Why do the rocks have green things?
Not just for scientific studies, schoolyard habitats offer the chance for students and educators alike to work across the disciplines.
Kindergartners, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Farther north, Wallapai School in the Kingman School District used a small, unused corner of their school grounds to create an interactive learning site, which all classes may use throughout the year.
How come it has the word spoon in it? Because if you were to pull these out, it would look like a little spoon.
Students learn about the plants and trees, and in turn pass that knowledge on to other students.
This tree is probably about 50 to 60 years old.
Anytime a child repeats something that they've learned by verbalizing it, it goes into their long-term memory and it stays there.
Everybody thinks stalactites are dead when they look like this, but if you really kind of look close to them, they're not. You can see their greens still in them.
You can really sense the enthusiasm this little guy has for his morning tour.
If you guys want to see our desert museum inside, you're more than welcome to. Okay.
Students help upkeep the habitat and take pride in what they accomplish.
Then you dump the water right in the middle.
The habitat has spawned other projects on school grounds also, such as this experiment about water.
We're going to try to see if we have any water in this little spot. The water evaporates and then leaks down in. Except it didn't, so it came up to the bottom. We didn't get any in the cup, but we got some on the bottom, so it barely worked, sorta. And it's everywhere in the ground because the dirt wasn't moister yesterday, but it's moister today. That was fun. That was really fun. It was sort of weird because we had people bossing us, but it was okay.
At least we gotta go dig up rocks.
Habitat: food, water, shelter, and space, and all within a suitable arrangement. Whether provided on a major or a minor scale, the right combination of factors creates optimal living conditions for both terrestrial and aquatic wildlife. It can happen right in your own community, at your local school. For more information, visit our website at www.azgfd.com and click on Other Programs.